Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 9, HTML. So, what is HTML? You all make use of internet today. On internet, you view websites. What are websites? Collection of web pages. Do you ever wonder that how these web pages are created with beautiful pictures, colors, text written there? Yes, one of the language that is used for creating those web pages is HTML. It is not a programming language, it is a scripting language. Using this language, you create or you design web pages or websites. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Fine. So, which software is needed? There is no need to download any software for designing HTML. You need a notepad and any web browser. Okay, notepad means any text editor. But Notepad and Internet Explorer are already installed on all the system. If operating system is there on your computer, you will find Notepad and Internet Explorer by default. Means you need not to download any additional software. So Notepad is where you will create or you will type the HTML tag, and browser will be used for viewing your document. How? Let me show you. So what you have to do here, first step that you have to do is, on your computer system you need to open a notepad. Okay, where you will type an HTML document. So for typing or for writing HTML document, you make use of notepad. So on a notepad, the first thing that you will do is you will write in angular bracket. Then you will write here HTML. See, HTML is not case sensitive, means you can use lower little case also. So HTML, this tells that we are working with HTML. Then you will write here head. Fine. Then a title tag here. Whatever you write on a title tag will appear on the title or top of that menu of that page. So suppose I write first page here. Okay. Now you can close a title tag here. So how will you close a tag? You will close a tag by putting a backslash in front of you. Angular bracket, backslash, and then a title tag. Now you can even close a head tag. So how will you close? Angular bracket, a slash, and head tag. Fine. Now comes the main tag, that is a body tag. Inside this body tags, all the tags that you are going to study further will be used within this body tag. And whatever you will type within this body tag, you can view it on a browser window. Fine. So now here, as we have not done any of the tag, I am writing a single statement there. My first program. Okay. Done. This is what I want to write in my body tag. Now I have to close this HTML. So first I need to close my body tag. Okay, from inward to outward. First body tag, and then I will close my this HTML tag. Clear? So this is the basic structure for writing any program. You will first write HTML head, title, and then in a body tag, whichever tag you want to use, you will use that within a body tag. This is the basic structure of HTML. Fine. Now this is how you have written a program of HTML. Now you want to view it. So for viewing, okay, for viewing your HTML, what you want to use is your browser. So suppose I am using internet browser. You can use Chrome, Mozilla, whatever, but Explorer is there on all the systems. That is why I am using Internet Explorer for viewing the document. Once done, you need to save this file. Okay, so for saving this file, what you will do is on a menu bar here, file, okay, there is an option save as. So you will save this file with the name. Suppose the name that I have given to the file is first, okay, and the mandatory thing is you have to mention the extension of the file. So suppose like .html. Now this first file is not an ordinary file because it is saved with an extension .html. It is a HTML file, okay, a file that can be viewed on a browser. So this is mandatory to mention the extension when you save a file. If you will not save it with an extension .html, you cannot view this file on a browser. So it is mandatory to specify the extension of a file. Clear? Done? Now the third step is viewing on a browser, Internet Explorer. So here you will go on a file, menu, open, and then you will browse the file. Okay, you will locate the file wherever it is stored on a computer, and on a browser window you will see only this text written, my first program, and on a title bar you will see this written, first page. Okay, so whatever you write in a body tag will be viewed on a browser. You will not view this HTML head and title. Clear? So now I will show this thing to you practically.